My people, when I remember the NAS president, where he cry come out just a day or 2 days before very dark man matter circulate everywhere. That NAS president we talk say Sheyi Tinubu, the president's son, beat him, almost offer him 100 million, which he declined. He show his body and everything. Now remember, the same NAS president, as we talk, so DSS don't arrest him. He did DSS custody, as we talk. DSS hospital and still like prison, but now they treat people where they beat or anything where it happen to them, allegedly. Now, it didn't end there. The same NAS president don't come out now, can't tell us, say, everything where he talk for that video, he say, now lie, that he talk him under duress, say people lie to him. My people, this matter so it be as it get. But I go like make we read this one together, then I'll tally it up with the video of the same NAS president where he first talk, when they retract. So, make we read together. DSS detains NAS president Atiku Issa in hospital after exposing Sheyi Tinubu, the president's son, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's son, of 100 million naira bribe offer forced to recant made to pose with gun for blackmail. But people, let's read on. This whole thing there, it be as it get. Issa had also accused Sheyi Tinubu's faction within NAS of orchestrating an assault against him. He specifically named Ladoja Olushola, the Sheyi Tinubu's back rival factional president, as the individual who allegedly kicked him in the face during the incident. Atiku Abubakar Issa, the factional president of the National Association of Nigeria Students NANS, is being detained by the Department of the State Service DSS following allegation that he was offered a 100 million naira bribe by Sheyi Tinubu, son of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to support the government's agenda. Issa had also accused Sheyi Tinubu's faction within NANS of orchestrating an assault against him, specifically named Ladoja Olushola, the Sheyi Tinubu's back rival factional president, as the individual who allegedly kicked him in the face during the incident. Sarah reporter has exclusively learned that Issa has been in the DSS custody since last Tuesday. His arrest came shortly after a disrupted inauguration ceremony in which he was declared president. A process marred by attacks from government-sponsored talks. Sources said Issa was subsequently concurred into writing a statement retracting his allegations against Sheyi Tinubu. According to Sarah reporter sources, Issa is currently being held at the DSS hospital on Airport Road, Abuja, under the pretense of receiving medical treatment. However, insiders allege he is being blackmailed and pressured to withdraw his claims. One DSS officer who spoke to Sarah reporter anonymously said Issa was forced to pose for a photo with a gun placed in his hand, intended to be used as blackmail. He was compelled to write the retraction letter as condition for his release. The source added, unquote, he was arrested at the inauguration venue and his phone was seized, even though his condition has improved. He has completed his medication and now only uses eye drops. He remains in the detention. Sarah reporter also obtained a copy of the letter allegedly signed by Issa under duress, in which he disavows all previous statements linking Sheyi Tinubu to the alleged bribe offer and physical assault. The letter reads, unquote, I wish to draw the attention of the general public to the trendy video which I featured in the video. I claim that son of the president, Mr. Sheyi Tinubu, and the Minister of Youth and Sport, Ayodele Olawade, invited me to Lagos. I further stated that the minister and I urged and therefore offered me 100 million naira to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's, but that I rejected offer. In the video, I also claimed that for what they considered my stubbornness to reject their 100 million naira. It was on the 15th April 2025, abducted, stripped naked, and thoroughly beaten up right before the MD of the Nigerian Television Authority, NTA, to whom I had gone to purportedly announcement that I was stepping down from the race of the presidency of the National Association of Nigeria Student NANS. I clearly stated that I later clarified that I didn't step down, to which I was reportedly warned that Mr. Seyi Tinubu could order my killing and thereafter instruct the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Kayode Egbotoku, to bury the matter. Among the other things claimed that Seyi Tinubu led talks to the venue of my inauguration, there are false. I later found out from the source who fed me. Well, let's continue. I wish to categorically state that everything I said in that video was based on the wrong information at my disposal. I was misled by political opportunists to destroy the character of Seyi Tinubu and his father, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. At no time did I see Seyi Tinubu in Lagos or at the Wells Carlton Hotel, Abuja. I have since discovered to my utmost pain and regret that some persons were out to use me for cheap political gains. Consequently, I hereby use this medium to apologize to the President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, his son Mr. Seyi Tinubu, the Minister of Youth and Sport, as well as others who may have offended by my utterances. I also apologize to my fellow comrades and to as many looking up to me for direction. I failed you and I'm deeply sorry. To err, they say, is human. To forgive is divine. I hope you all have the grace to forgive me. Thank you immensely. Unayeram, this is shocking.
I was invited to Lagos to meet with Seyi. I met with Seyi and the Minister for Youth. The Minister for Youth, when he saw me, he hugged me in Lagos. We talked, and I was to be offered 100 million naira. But the thing is, it's not all about money. There are things which I stand for. You cannot ask me to begin to promote a president who has not done something for me to say he has done it. If he does something good, I will promote him. We will support him as the president and commander-in-chief. But where he is, you cannot say I should keep quiet. I won't do that. That we couldn't settle. And they felt that I'm being stubborn not to accept money and to come to Lagos without accepting money and going back. So they planned my abduction, and on the 15th, I was abducted. Of April, I was abducted, stripped naked, beaten seriously in collaboration with the MD of NTA. The MD of NTA, I was packaged to NTA to make involuntary statement that I am no longer, that I have renounced my position as NANS president. I did that to gain my freedom, but immediately I released a press statement that I was forced, it was under duress, and because I was naked, I was beaten. They claimed that they will share the video. That Seyi told them that they can share the video, nothing will happen. And that even if they kill me, he will order. That was the word Ladoja used. It is Ladoja that is telling me this. That he will instruct, yes, he will instruct the Inspector General of Police to cover it up. And if he doesn't do that, that he will go. So I now asked, even this morning when somebody was telling me that, you know who Seyi is, I say, yes, Seyi is an ordinary citizen like myself. He's not occupying any official position. I told them yesterday, I made it clear, that even if I'm coming to this hall and I'll be shot, I'll still come to this hall. At the end, today, the inauguration is concluded and I'm the NANS president. I want Nigerians to know what has happened and that we are not going to give up and that Seyi can do anything he wants to do. He's already in this hotel. This inauguration wouldn't have held. You can see the organization is not correct. See the way the things was hardly done. I told the MC, quickly start. Don't do no protocol. Do the inauguration as long as though they will be arresting or killing the NANS president now, who controls over 40 million Aluta forces. So I want to, for the want of time, I don't want to take much of our time, but I have told you in brief. So we cannot say, the most important thing which my government, which we want to do as leaders of NANS, is that we will fight the cultists. We will take away cultism from NANS, the touts from NANS. They are just bunch of touts and criminal elements. When politicians want to do anything, they recruit them to do all of these things, and that is what we have come to fight. I need your support for us to be able to do this, because without you supporting me, supporting our leadership, there's no way we'll be able to achieve this, because these people have gone far. They have no shame. I want to say, finally, that Sheyi Tinubu is a very bad example to the Nigerian youth. And the worst thing that will happen to Nigeria will be for Sheyi Tinubu to become the governor of Lagos State. He has no shame, he has no character. I have been strapped naked, he has my video in his phone. If we are in a country where things work, they are supposed to trace that in his phone, and he should be prosecuted. I do not know if what he wants to do with my naked video in his phone. It is also in the phone of the senior special assistant to the president on student affairs. The secretary, while we went to submit a letter to the Minister of Defense, the essay to the Minister of Defense told him that he saw my naked video while they were beating me. That is also in his own phone. This is the country that we are, but they are making a mistake with the wrong person. The honest solution to this for them to do the right thing, or they should quickly terminate my life. I thank you very much for listening, Your Excellency.
See, Ahmed, if this one not shock you, I don't know what it will shock you again. Yes, as we they talk so, the NANS president, Issa, say everything we in talk. He say now some of now, pressure am, me in talk am. See, Ahmed, this country, we are not going anywhere. Everything with that man talk, he has been forced, allegedly, to retract all. Una see as I read them, but una don't hear the video, listen to the article according to Sahara Reporter. My people, a lot of people have reacted. A lot of people have reacted, which I will put on the screen. You can see that on the screen. Different people's reaction. Pause and read yourself. Because the matter don't tire me. This country matter don't tire me. Oh God. Anyway, this is NAIJA Watch Media, my people. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting you and I. What do I know? It's my duty to bring it to you when we see them. As you know, NAIJA Watch Media is authentic 100%. Take care, guys, and bye for now.